Bacchus Marsh Grammar is just such a great school because it's so inclusive. It's a massive school. My cohort's almost 250 students, I'd say. There's lots of us, it's very diverse, and we all come from different sections of the western suburbs.
I'm Andrew Neal, I'm the principal at Bacchus Marsh Grammar, and I've been the principal here for 26 years. When I first started here, there was about 280 students, and the first task I had in front of me was to grow the school. Basically, we decided that we were going to market the school to the west of Melbourne, not just to Bacchus Marsh and Melton. Very quickly, the school then started to grow, and that growth trajectory has been there ever since. Currently, we have about 3,500 students. We draw students from as far in as the Yarra and back to Ballarat, so a very, very big catchment. I think one of the biggest school catchments in the country.
Bacchus Marsh Grammar students really appreciate the opportunity to involve themselves in the education at our school. They're keen, they're happy, and that comes from their families and their value on education.
What shapes character? So character is shaped by lots of different things. Today we had our Inspire program with our Year 10 cohort from both this campus at Mattingley and also our Woodley campus. We certainly see that the academics are really important for our students, but as well as that, the holistic approach, we're making sure that their emotional and social and spiritual well-being is looked after as well.
Bacchus Marsh Grammar definitely appeals to us. I guess the facilities, the resources that they have on offer for kids of all ages. Also for us, something that appealed was the expectation that they have on the students, the life skills and the values that they deliver.
We have been through this growth phase. One of the things that we were really determined not to lose was the notion of people knowing students individually, and that's been, if you like, the cornerstone of our planning. How do we develop a school that is large and brings all the advantages of a large school, but also maintains a personal interest in individual students?
Bacchus Marsh Grammar is a school in Bacchus Marsh, not necessarily a school for Bacchus Marsh. So we feel it's really important to have a diverse range of students and also a culturally diverse range of students, because we know that that's going to give our students more life opportunities in the future.
Our school motto is education for life. It's kind of just like take every opportunity you're given, and if you start something, it'll lead on to something else. That's definitely something that I've taken on.
I had only intended to stay 3 years when I came here, but I think it's fair to say I and my family fell in love with the school community. We have been blessed to be able to spend the last quarter of a century, and I'm very pleased with the way the school has developed over that period of time.